Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. It's just gonna be a quick update. What's been going on? I have school tomorrow. I have to do my homework and stuff today because I'm so behind. And yeah. I'm just in my kitchen right now. The baby's and the bouncer. And Yadi's right there playing. So, if you guys have any video requests or anything, just let me know. And I'll get to them. Like, I'll do them for you. What else? I think I'm gonna do a tour around the house so you guys can see how I live. But first, let me see if I can do it because this is backwards. So, that's the kitchen. There's the baby. There's the other baby. That's a room right there. Right there. That's the master room. This is for the laundry room. Okay. So now let's go to the dining room. This is the dining room, which is now as you can see, computer room and stuff. Now let's go to the living room, which is right next here. It's that's the living room. We have a baby gate right there. I mean, not the baby gate. You know what I mean. There's another one right there, and that's the door for outside. Let's see how it is right now. And it's kind of sunny too, so. That's outside. That was me. I shouldn't have done it. This is right here. Hi. This is. There's a door for towels and stuff. This is my dad's room. That's my room. And welcome to the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Hi. I'm using my phone right now, so. Yep, that's it. If you guys want to ask questions, I'll answer them. And, see you guys for my next update.